Thank you for staying with us here on CNN News 18. We are getting you some breaking news that's coming in of what transpired in the Parliament. A short while ago, we had Prime Minister Narendra Modi talk about the Mahakumbh. Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi now reacting to the Prime Minister's statement. He says, I want to support the Prime Minister, but why did he not speak about the lives that were lost during the stampede in Mahakumbh? What about unemployment and the youth of this country is a question that Rahul Gandhi had to ask.
जो प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला मैं उसको सपोर्ट करना चाह रहा था। कुंभ हमारी एक प्रकार से हमारा ट्रेडिशन है, हिस्ट्री है, कल्चर है। एक कंप्लेंट थी, एक शिकायत थी, श्रद्धांजलि नहीं दी प्रधानमंत्री ने। जो लोग जिनकी मृत्यु हुई थी उनको श्रद्धांजलि नहीं दी। और दूसरी बात मैं ये कहना चाहता था कि देखिए कुंभ की जगह है, मगर जो युवा कुंभ में गए उनको प्रधानमंत्री से एक और चीज चाहिए, उनको रोजगार चाहिए और प्रधानमंत्री को रोजगार के बारे में भी बोलना चाहिए।
Sharon, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Sharon, the Prime Minister there making his statement on the floor of the House. We saw the kind of pandemonium that broke out right after opposition MPs were in the well of the House as well. And now the Leader of Opposition coming out and saying that the Prime Minister didn't address the kind of issues that he should have.
And the allegation that is coming in from the opposition at this point is that there was no prior permission that was given or a notice that was given that the Prime Minister is going to speak on Mahakumbh. And accordingly, the MPs would have been prepared and there should have been an opportunity for the opposition MPs to also speak is the allegation that is coming in at this point from the Congress MPs. And especially when we talk about Rahul Gandhi, he has in fact ended his bite by saying that as far as the opposition is concerned, they are not allowed to speak on the floor of the House, and especially the LOP is not allowed to speak, and this is New India is the attack that is coming in from Rahul Gandhi. Apart from that, he has also in fact connected Mahakumbh to the unemployment in the country. He says that rather than talking about how youth has been visiting Mahakumbh, the Prime Minister should have in fact come up with a solution to the unemployment in the country. Apart from, he also in fact spoke about how it should have been good that if the Prime Minister has spoken about the people who have died in this Mahakumbh. So this is nothing but just jumla that he is saying is what the Congress MPs are saying. So right now, Poonam, we have seen earlier that a number of the opposition MPs have in fact walked out. We have seen them approaching the well as well. And even now, while we speak, there is still protest that is going on in the floor of the House over the speech given by the Prime Minister.
Right, Sharon, do stay on with us. Priyanka Gandhi also now responding to the Prime Minister's statement. Let's listen.
ये नहीं जाना चाहिए था, क्योंकि विपक्ष की भी भावनाएं हैं इसके प्रति और उनको प्रकट करने में कोई उनको आपत्ति नहीं होनी चाहिए थी। तो मेरे ख्याल से उनको 2 मिनट के लिए बोलने देना चाहिए।